Hey, it's the Blind Man Handyman, and I'm plastering the walls here. And I got a guy, as long as I got a clean hand, we're doing it right here. I've done most of the plastering. He's helped me with some. He did some of it, but he has a hard time with plastering, so I got to do the plastering because it hurts his hands. So I didn't want to go do all the boring recording of all this plastering. Oh, not much left, but I wanted to get some of it on there. So we're working on the feathering part of all this. And I've got a little bit of seams here somewhere. I'm putting it on using a big wide trowel to feather it out. Now you shouldn't really have to sand when you plaster. But you can use this big trowel to go the whole seam. I gotta play with it a little bit because I don't know where anything that. After I touch it once, I'm kind of committed to. And there's another one down here. We're at the finishing point, so we don't really need a lot of plaster. We really need just a lot of patience. Okay, that's scraped off. Is that good?
Yep, one more to the right. I'll just clean that off with a rag.
Over here?
Yep. I'll just hit it with a rag. This is just on the corner.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Good for another coat.
Right on. Yeah, we're doing. I gotta have to do a couple extra coats because it's pretty blind, but let's just see your rolls. Whoa. A little freaky for me being on a scaffold. Okay. We're using sheetrock 45, which is really, which is what the stuff. Oh, can you push me back a little bit?
Yep.
It's right over my head. Okay, I'll go there now.
Okay.
You're gonna see it darker and lighter because using this big wide trowel now, it's gonna be feathering out and getting all the. You just use that as my rock now. So we got it all plastered. We got it all everything sealed. So what we're doing now, we're just feathering it out to get the everything to blend. This is the blending stage. I know I had a problem here earlier when I was feeling. I had to go along and feel all this up. And if a girl was watching me do this, she'd probably get pretty close. Just kidding. How's that looking?
Not too bad. Just right above your head there now.
Yeah, it's still too. I can't work above my head. I'm taller than you. Oh shit, I just put my hand in.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Yeah. Now, like I said, we're just filling in this crap here. So everything, like I said, we're just filling in all the, blending it all in. I got some plaster up here somewhere, I just don't know where it is now. Or it's off filled in somewhere. Where is the plaster?
Yep.
I'm hitting the big light again. Oh, there's a bit of plaster. Okay, there. I think that's, does that all look alright?
Yep, just get that spot to the right
Here?
on your ear. Yep, haul towards you, and go past you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and do it again a little further away from you. There you go.
Good. We're out of this stuff, aren't we?
Yep,
I need a little bit more. I think a little bit on there still.
little bit. Yep,
Let's see if we can.
it's getting tacky though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Let's go. A little bit of a bump. Throw it on there.
yeah. I'll leave that right like it is.
Good bump. And I have a little bump over here if I can throw it on that. I don't know if I got anything on me. So we have nothing left in the bucket?
Nope.
Okay, we'll look at some more. It's getting tacky. So yeah, we're getting there. This is like, for me, a third coat, and he did one coat, so. All right, thanks for watching the Blind Man Handyman. Maybe I'll do some more videoing after. I hit the button twice. Very quick.